Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jakil with HellaHard. Today I'm gonna be doing a new video for you guys. Today you guys are gonna be learning how to install spark plugs on a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. So stay tuned for that. And also, guys, if you guys do want to support the channel, like I said, go ahead and use this promo code in the corner, HellaHard99, and you'll get 10% off of everything on the website. And yeah, just go ahead and stay tuned, you guys, and let's get to it. All right, guys, so you're going to make sure you have your European toolkit. I got this from O'Reilly's for about 16 bucks. And then also your torque wrench, an extension, maybe 2 extensions, and then your spark plug socket. Next, we're just going to go ahead and use a Phillip head to go ahead and remove these top screws on the valve cover. Now we're going to use a 10 millimeter to remove the coil packs that are covering the spark plugs. Go ahead and make sure you grab your 10 millimeter. You can have an extension just to be safe, and then a little ratchet. Next, go ahead and start removing the 10 mils that are holding in each one of the coil packs. All right, now we're going to go ahead and remove these coil packs. It may be kind of hard to get them out at first, but just stay persistent and go ahead and wiggle them out. Don't forget to unplug them so they can slide all the way out. Now that the coil packs are out, we're going to go ahead and remove the spark plugs. So on this one, we're going to use the torque wrench and 2 extensions and then the spark plug socket. And we're going to go ahead and start removing. Taking a look at this spark plug, seeing how brown it is at the end, all of the corrosion built up, it was definitely time for replacing. Do some quick fix shit. Bing, just like that. All right, guys, now it's time to install the new spark plugs. This process is the complete opposite of removing them. Okay, guys, so for this installation, these spark plugs are going to need 18 foot-pounds of torque. So we're going to go ahead and set our torque wrench to 18 foot-pounds. And make sure you have your 2 extensions and also your spark plug socket.
I got 15. 16, 17, and 18 foot-pounds of torque. I'm tighten it up. 18.
When first putting in the spark plugs, I like to start without the wrench. That way you can get a good bite with just your finger grip and tighten it all the way down until your fingers can't tighten anymore, and then tighten it all the way down with the wrench. And once you hear that click about 4 times, you know it's nice and tight and you're good to go. Yeah, I really appreciate you recording, bro.
I just want to make sure I get it, you know?
Yeah.
No, I'm just more high than anything. Vertical. You can do this.
No.
You're going to do a fucking trick.
Please don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should.
Oh, yeah.
I thought that. Alrighty, now that we got all of the new spark plugs in, we're gonna go ahead and clean off the coil packs and then reinstall the coil packs. It's the opposite of the removal like before. When you're putting them in, please make sure you plug them all back in. You wanna make sure you have good connection to all of the coil packs. And when you tighten them down, go ahead and tighten them down with the 10 millimeter.
It's my tape.
Plug it in.
Yeah.
Sheesh. And just like that, we replaced all of the spark plugs. They're all tightened down and we should be good to go. We're going to go ahead and tighten down this valve cover, get your Phillip head and Phillip screws, tighten it down, and we'll go ahead and give the car a test start. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I changed my hat and I'm a little dirty and sweaty now because I did the change. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And for more content, you know, hit that thumbs up and turn on that notification bell so you guys can, you know, see when my shit comes out. But yeah, until then, guys, go ahead and support the channel, visit the website, and shout out your boy. And yeah, guys, you know, have a good day. Stay blessed, stay positive. Later.